Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and I've spent a lot of time over the last few years trying out and recreating some of my family's favorite dishes. Soy sauce chicken, or xiao gai, is definitely a staple in a lot of Chinese households. It's sweet and savory and goes perfectly over a bed of rice and some lightly steamed broccoli. And while it's not roasted in an oven or over an open fire, it can still be found in Chinese barbecue shops hanging under heat lamps. It's loved by many, especially my husband who grew up on this stuff, and he still loves it just as much today. He tells me he prefers it as either wings or drumsticks, which is how his mom used to make for him when he was growing up. So let's get started. First, you're gonna make your rice whichever way you're used to. I'll be making my rice in a stainless steel pot. Next, heat up the Instant Pot by pressing the sauté button. Wait until the indicator says hot. Once it's ready, toast the aromatics. 1 smashed piece of ginger, roughly the size of your thumb. 8 smashed cloves of garlic. 1 green onion, roughly chopped. And 1 star anise. Toast the aromatics until they start smelling fragrant, about 2 minutes, stirring frequently. Toasting the aromatics really livens up the flavors of the spices, making your soy sauce chicken even tastier. Then you can make the marinade for the chicken. Combine 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give these a quick stir until all the sugar has dissolved. Next, pour the sauce into the Instant Pot and add 2½ cups of water. Then add the chicken. We use about 10 to 12 drumsticks here, but you could try wings, skin thighs, or even a whole chicken. Close the lid on the Instant Pot, switch the valve to seal, and set the Instant Pot to 8 minutes at high pressure. When the timer reaches 0, let the Instant Pot naturally release for 8 minutes and then quick release the rest of the pressure. When all the pressure has been released, open the lid of the Instant Pot and remove the drumsticks. You can reserve the sauce for next time, just be sure to freeze it. And here it is, friends, your soy sauce chicken on rice with steamed broccoli. And you're definitely not going to get a dry piece of meat when it's drumsticks. A drumstick or 2 or 3 is perfect for lunch for someone who's on their feet all day and needs something hearty to give them a boost of energy to get them through the rest of the afternoon. Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe, please leave a comment below on how it turned out. I'd love to know. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want more fun lunch ideas. Until next time, friends. Mwah!